Hey guys, welcome to Advice channel. Schools have started and the learning process is full on swing. Hope you guys are enjoying the classes. Today I am here to share few important tips related to class 10 CBSE. If you follow these tips, you can score 100% easily. So you guys need to just follow these steps with discipline and determination. I know you guys are thinking it's too early to start your preparation for board exams, but it's not. You might be in a thought of starting your preparation from October or November. So but let me tell you guys, if you start your preparation in October or November, by the time you start your preparation, the syllabus will be completed in your schools and schools will start conducting pre-board exams. So generally most of the schools are conducting 3 to 4 pre-board exams before the board exams. So you will not get much time to prepare for your board exams. If you guys really want to score that 100%, you should plan from now itself. So today I'll share the important tips, what type of tips you should follow to get that 100%. So if you follow these tips with determination and discipline, you guys can easily score 100%. So without wasting much time, let's get into the topic. So the first tip I am going to share here is timetable. I know you guys are matured enough to make your timetable. So but let me help you from my side also. You guys should have proper timetable. If you write a proper timetable, if you follow the timetable, you can easily complete your syllabus within the time and without making a single mistake. So what type of timetable you should follow? So let me instruct you guys here. So divide your day into two parts. So one is school hours and the second one is after coming home. So most of the CBSE schools run from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So by the time you come home, it becomes 4 o'clock. So now from 4 to 10 you have leisure time. So plan this 4 to 10 time wisely. If you plan it wisely, you can complete your portion within the time and you can have the time for revision also. Divide this 4 to 10 time wisely. So if you write the timetable for this 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock timetable wisely, you guys can achieve your dream score. So now after coming home 4 to 5, just have a relax period. So just don't do anything guys. So just relax for some time. So from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock or 6:30 or 7 o'clock. So daily 1 hour or 1.5 hour have some entertainment. So you can go out and play or you can have some chat with your family. So that's very important. So you should have some relaxing entertainment also. So 5 to 6:30. So after that 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, 6:30 or 7 o'clock, you should have a proper study plan now. Some of you guys might have tuitions or some of you might opted for online classes. So that accordingly divide your timetable. Have some time, 45 minutes to 1 hour for completing your homeworks. Allot 1 hour or 45 minutes to complete your homeworks. Let's suppose from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Let's have this time to complete your homework. So then from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. So you should have a proper timetable. Math and science are two difficult subjects in your class 10. So try to include these two subjects in your timetable daily, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock or 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So you guys know in which subjects you are weak and in which subjects you are strong. So allot more time where you have to strengthen your concepts. So follow this timetable daily from tomorrow onwards. If you guys can follow this timetable without making any blunder, I am sure that you are going to crack your dream score. The second important tip is what books to read. You should have the reference books. You should follow the standard reference books to revise your concept. After completion of every chapter, you should follow some reference books so to revise your topics and to score that 100%. The first preference give to the NCERT textbooks, because if you are good at NCERT textbook, you can easily score 60 to 70% of the marks. So that to score remaining 20 to 30%, you should go for the external books, external reference books. So in my next video, I'll share so what books to follow, like what books to refer for mathematics and for science. The third important tip is analyzing and revision of the topics. As per my research, I came to know that most of the students lose marks so just because of lack of the revision. So they'll study from first chapter to 10th chapter or 5th chapter or 15th chapter. So then they'll don't allow some time to revise the topics. So this revision plays an important role to score the dream score, because if you don't revise your topics well, then you may feel panic in the examination. So to avoid that, you should have a proper revision plan. So for that, have some time, especially in the weekends, Saturday or Sunday, have some time only for the revision. So for 2 hours or 3 hours, you should revise the topics whatever you have covered in that week, so that you don't lose track of that subject. So as a result, you can score easily, or you can remember the topics well, and you can write the exam well. So this is very important, guys. So if you guys follow these 3 tips, you can score your dream score. Through this special video series, we are going to help you with the academic and non-academic part also. So non-academic part means suggesting some reference books and how to write the exam, what type of books you should refer, and what type of timetable you should follow to score well. And academic part, we will cover mathematics, physics and chemistry in a special video series. So that's upcoming video series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Advice channel.
I thank Advice who are trying to give broad information for the students who wanted to do medicine program in abroad. And for more information, please subscribe Advice.
I would like to congratulate Mr. Karunakar to start such an initiative which will be available for all the students on YouTube.
Thanks to Advice, and please subscribe the channel.
అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు అడ్వైస్. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలామందికి రీచ్ అవ్వాలి, ఈ అడ్వైస్ ఛానల్లో వచ్చే కార్యక్రమాలు చాలామంది విద్యార్థులకు రీచ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అడ్వైస్.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను డాక్టర్ రామ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ఈడీవేస్ ఛానల్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు ఈడీవేస్.
Thanks to Advice channel. Please subscribe Advice channel.
Hello guys, like for successful journey of your studies platform destination, so please follow and subscribe to advice.in.
I want to congratulate Mr. Karunakar. I want to thanks Advice channel, and please subscribe Advice.